So welcome guys to another video. In this video, I'm doing another chugging video, finally. I've been saying I'm going to be doing another one soon, and I am doing it soon now. Let's go. I almost knocked the door. So what we're doing today is a Fanta strawberry. I will be doing might be doing the pineapple flavor. I'll try it, see if I like it. Don't like oranges, so you want me see me do that. But like and subscribe before we get into it. Vibes. That's what it's all about. But yeah, we're doing this today. I have a new camera angle. I'm not doing it lower. It's actually in my mirror. It's open. It's a cabinet mirror basically, and hope it does not fall. If it does, I will go to the old camera setup in the bathroom. But let's go. Chugging without burping. If you've never seen it, tried to explode on me. But if you've never seen this on my channel before, it's pretty self-explanatory. I try not to burp after chugging a drink. Most of the time it's like soda. I've done a bottle of water, soda, or some kind of drink. I only do ones I like. So yeah, and I will be doing probably a Mountain Dew next. But yeah, let's get into the chugging. If it doesn't try to explode on me again. Okay, I think it's not going to. Let's go. It's just kind of acidic. It hurts going down the throat. I gotta say something before I finish it. I had stomach issues this morning, and this is not a good idea. I can already feel a burp coming. I need to brush my teeth, man. I'm suffering. Oh my god. It's gone. It's all gone. Where's the camera? Why do I look yellow? Why do I look orange like that? Oh, I burped. I burped. Oh my god, I'm sweating. I'm sweating. Oh my god. Oh, yep. Another burp. I felt again. This one was probably the hardest one. Oh my god. I'm dying, guys. I'm dying. Okay, I'm good. I'm up. I just sweat, man. I'm sweating. I'm sweating, bro. Jesus. Oh my god. It's so hot. Oh my lord. Oh my god. Like the video for my suffering. I don't know what to do, man. Okay, I don't know, man. I'll see you guys in the next video. So, guys, welcome. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. like and subscribe. If you don't, I'm gonna come to your house, kidnap your pet, take your Robux and your V card. Wait, whoa, I didn't mean to say that. I didn't mean to say it. Stop. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm still sweating. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe if I go far away in front of the light, you can kind of see it. But anyways, see you in the next chugging video / another video. See you guys in the next video. Peace. Bro, I'm even sweating on my stash.